How to fix your laptop is not fully charging to 100%. So the first thing you want to do is right click on the start button and then open up the terminal or CMD as admin. And then you will need to run the following command, which is power cfg space dash and then restore default schemes like this, and then press enter. Now you can close out of this and open up the settings. Right click on the start button and then go to settings, go to updates and security, and from here make sure to check and get the latest available updates for your system, including any software or hardware specific updates from the optional updates. And you can access those by clicking on view optional updates, and then from here you can see the driver updates and check the available driver updates for your hardware, and make sure to download and install them. And then you should restart your system by clicking on power and restart, or it could be restarted automatically after updating. And this should fix the battery issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.